Due to rail strikes, no trains will be running today. Good luck getting anywhere. Oh wait, you won't, because there's strikes.
Mr. Connect CEO, please stop the strike, as I need to go to work.
No.
Please.
No. Here's a deal. You can drive the trains today to get to work, but if you drive badly, you will have to take a replacement bus service for the rest of your life.
All I need to do is to drive safely. How hard can this be?
Bruh.
Haha, you will have to go on the replacement bus forever now.
No. Wait a minute, this isn't as bad as I thought it would be. Usually the punishments are worse than this.
Oh, did I forget to mention, this bus runs on farts to save electricity.
Oh no.